Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker engine, 460 horsepower package for our customer's 1971 Monte Carlo. Go over some of the highlights on the engine here. We started with the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, new timing cover, brand new balancer, brass freeze plugs installed, painted black, the engine block, proper oil pan, the 71 Monte Carlo. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. 383 stroker black valve covers with the matching air cleaner, the washable filter element. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, extra coolant ports if needed. We have the air gap aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket, MSD ignition coil set in place, small cap distributor installed, real important on the 71 Monte Carlo for firewall clearance right there. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups, proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 stroker and the customer's TH350 trans. High torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, all the fittings installed, chrome line up to the carburetor. This real nice black serpentine pulley kit, 140 amp, 1-wire hookup alternator, high flow water pump, GM Saginaw power steering pump in black, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belts on there, all tensioned and aligned. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure readings, cold and hot, water temperature. Carburetor will be fully adjusted, timing set, ready to go. Drop in ready, right out of the crate. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.